Now, let's walk through the 10 key BI service areas and see how the Databox platform helps you deliver each one and how we support you in building these capabilities for your clients. First up, data strategy and consulting. This is about helping your clients figure out what they should be tracking and why. At Databox, we support you with free training courses, access to our predictable performance methodology, and resources like our newsletter, user groups, and Move the Needle podcast. We also teach you how to integrate into your client's strategic planning processes, from annual planning and quarterly business reviews to forecasting sessions. Next is data collection and integration. You can't have reporting without clean, connected data. Databox offers hundreds of native integrations, plus support from spreadsheets, databases, and APIs. You don't need to be a data engineer to get started, and we teach you how to set this up efficiently for clients through our onboarding or partner-enabled resources. Now, on to data cleaning and transformation. While Databox doesn't replace traditional ETL tools, we help standardize and structure data through pre-built metric libraries and simple transformative tools. We show you how to use these features to build consistent, reliable reporting without needing SQL or coding experience. Data analytics and insights. Data analytics and insights is where the real value kicks in. We provide thousands of pre-built KPIs and metrics along with hundreds of dashboards. Our AI-powered summaries help you explain performance to your clients even if they aren't data savvy. As a solutions partner, we help you interpret results and teach clients how to act on them. Data visualization and reporting. Great analytics is useless if you can't communicate it clearly. That's where data visualization and reporting comes in. Databox gives you powerful tools to build reports and dashboards your client actually want to read. We also automate the grunt work, alerts, report delivery, weekly summaries, and teach you how to use these tools to scale reporting without adding headcount. Next is KPI and performance measurement. Clients don't just want dashboards. They want to know if they're winning. We help you set up goals, scorecards, and metric digests so clients always know where they stand. Our playbooks show you how to tie KPIs to business outcomes and drive continuous improvement. Industry-specific BI solutions. For industry-specific BI solutions, Databox has out-of-the-box support for verticals like e-commerce, SaaS, agencies, and financial services. We help you customize reports and KPIs that align with industry standards, making your services more relevant, faster to implement, and easier to sell. AI and advanced analytics. With AI and advanced analytics, we take things further. Databox helps you offer predictive insights like forecasting goal attainment, performance ranges, and anomaly detection without needing a data science team. We train you on how to turn these insights into value-add conversations that keep you in the room with decision makers. Self-service BI enablement is about making sure your clients stay engaged between meetings. We help you deliver reports via Slack, email, or live URLs, all branded to your agency. You'll learn how to set up recurring reminders, build presentations that update automatically, and turn reporting into a client habit. And finally, BI support and continuous improvement. We teach you how to stay involved with clients post-implementation, embedding BI into quarterly reviews and forecasting. You'll learn how to use our platform to provide ongoing insight, stay sticky, and uncover upsell opportunities along the way.